there, freelancers. In today's fast-paced world, having a unique and professional logo is crucial for building your brand. But who has the time to design one from scratch? Well, that's where AI comes to the rescue. In this video, we'll dive into the top AI-based logo design softwares that can help you create stunning logos in minutes, perfect for freelancers like you. So whether you are a graphic designer looking to streamline your workflow or a freelancer in need of a quick brand identity, stick around because these tools might just be the game changer you need. First one is Canva. Second on our list is Luca. Third on our list is Tailor Brands. Fourth one is Hatchful. And fifth one is Brandmark. So there you have it. 5 amazing AI-based logo design tools that can save you time and help you create a standout brand identity. Whether you are a seasoned designer or just starting out, these tools are perfect for freelancers who want to create professional logos without breaking the bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.